In this tutorial we are going to draw this model. The front view of this model is given in the 2D drawing. So to draw that model I am going to select the front plane, YZ plane, and going to sketch. And first we are going to draw the rectangle, and for that I am going to select center rectangle. Select the origin and drag it. Then I am going to deselect the command. Going to select this one and dimension it to 120, and then select this line, dimension it to 100 millimeter, and after that I'm going to exact the workbench. And now I'm going to extrude that sketch. So to do that I'm going to select pad, and this selection of the sketch was already selected, and it's showing that the sketch one is selected, and the dimension of the length is 10 millimeter. And then I am going to again select this surface, and again I'm going to start the sketching on that surface. Now I am going to sorry, draw circle. Dimension it. The dimension of the circle, the diameter is 20, and then I'm going to select this point, the center of the circle, and pressing the control select this vertical line, and I'm going to dimension it. The dimension is 20, and then again I am going to select this center point, pressing the control and select this horizontal line, and going to select the dimension. It's also 28. The color is converted to green, that means the sketch is fully defined. Now I am going to mirror this circle with the reference of this axis. So I am going to select this circle, and then I am going to select the mirror, and then I am going to select this axis. This circle will be mirrored here. Then again I am going to select these two circle, and I am going to mirror it with the reference of this horizontal axis. So I am going to select this and keep pressing the control and select this circle, and I am going to select mirror, and I am going to select this axis. So it's mirror, and again I am going to exit my sketch, and now I am going to move the material and convert this sketch with the 3D model. Like when I am going to select the pocket, here is pocket. What the pocket does, pocket is going to remove the material with the shape of the sketch. So I am going to select pocket. My sketch is already selected, and the pocket, the pocket is the same like extrusion, the pod, but it is going to remove the material. The pad is adding the material and pocket is removing the material, but the function is same. Commands are different, like the pad add the material and pocket remove the material. So in the type we see the same things, like dimension up to next as we see in the uh, pad, and the length is 10 millimeter, and again like for the dimension we have to specify the dimension, so the 10th is good. We can also make the up to next, and to do that I'm going to select up to surface. It asking the limit, no selection. Limit means we needed to add the reference surface So I am going to rotate the model like that, and again I am going to select this surface. So now you see the hole will be made like that. To make it isometric, and again we are going to select this surface, and again we are going to select this sketch, and now I'm going to draw the elongated hole. Select this one, draw a random anywhere, and after that we are going to dimension it and constrain it. Now we are going to add the constraint between this line. Select this line, press the control and select the region, and then we are going to click on the constraint, and we are going to add the constraint midpoint. So midpoint constraint is added like that. Now we are going to dimension this dimension from 80, and the dimension of this one is 10. Or we can remove this dimension and we can add the radial dimension here, which is also 10. So this is completed, and again we are going to make the pocket. Select the pocket, and again it's up to surface, but now we are going to add the dimension. The length of this pocket must be 10. We can also change the size. It's done.